So, what you just saw was my Halloween castle. A cardboard fortress with a little bit of engineering magic inside. The idea was simple. Make something that moves, lights up, and gets the kids excited. And honestly, it worked. Let's look inside. Here is motor for carousel, with tiny LED for projection, the drawbridge mechanism, and the strip with addressable RGB LED running straight from the Raspberry Pi. The motor control I've loaded to a separate GRBL board on a STM32, because when you try to use PI-GPIO for PWM and NeoPixel at the same time, they start fighting over DMA channels. I tried changing them, but the flicker just won't go away, so external control it is. Inside the brain box, a 12 years old Raspberry Pi, a small breadboard for quick mods, 24 volts power in, a step down to 5 volts for RGB LED, USB audio card, and a portable speaker. For the big show, I plugged in a subwoofer, because every castle needs to rumble. The hardest part wasn't the wiring or software, that's a few lines of Python these days. The real challenge was to make it modular, quick to assemble, and childproof, because this thing had to survive 3 shows: the local neighborhood Halloween parade, internal community tech talk, and finally the trunk or treat at school. It wasn't a competition, but I still got the best prize. The crowd of 3, 4, 5 years old kids smashing the start button again and again. That's all I need. Engineering is fun, but sharing it, that's pure magic.